Welcome to your Employee Benefits Overview video provided by 208 Benefits. The information provided in this video is to help you understand your benefit options, pricing, and how to complete your benefit elections prior to your open enrollment or new hire completion deadline. Please watch or share this video with anyone that helps you make your employee benefit decisions for you and your family. You can refer back to this video anytime during the benefit plan year. First, let's review your benefits and then walk you through the features of your benefit information website. The Bio1 2023 Employee Benefits Overview is specific to your benefits plan year May 1st, 2023 through April 30th, 2024. The Bio1 Benefits Package is a comprehensive package that includes all of the following benefits: comprehensive telehealth, prescription savings plan, disability and life insurance, accident and major illness insurance, as well as dental and vision plans. Let's get into the first benefit, comprehensive telehealth benefit. This is provided by Teladoc Health. Teladoc Health helps you take control of your health with free doctor's visits 24/7 at home or on the go. You can talk to a doctor 24/7 for conditions like the flu, bronchitis, allergies, minor injuries, and more just by picking up the mobile app, logging in on your computer, and then having that doctor's visit. You can get specialist medical advice, receive a second opinion on existing diagnosis and treatment for more serious conditions. You can get neck and back care, relieve your neck and back pain through guided videos with a certified health coach, relief from skin issues, connect with a dermatologist that can provide you a treatment plan for acne, eczema, rash, psoriasis, and more types of dermatological events. Nutrition by phone or video, talk to a registered dietitian for diet planning and managing health conditions like diabetes. Last but not least, part of the comprehensive telehealth plan is confidential counseling for any type of behavioral and mental health event that you're experiencing or anybody in your family is experiencing, as this policy service does include everybody in your family, that is your spouse and your dependent age children. You can connect with a confidential counselor by choosing a licensed therapist that best fits your needs. You can read their bios and look at their scheduling, and then you can schedule that visit on a weekly basis, bi-weekly basis, however you need to schedule that by phone or video. So again, telehealth allows you to take control of your healthcare needs. You download the app and start using the free healthcare services. So again, no cost to you for anybody connected in your family, and this will help you save costs on doctor's visits, as well as helping you get timely care for the things that you may need, regardless of whether you're at home, it's on the weekends, saving you the drive time, the office waiting time, etc. Paired with the telehealth is our prescription savings plan that we offer you through CleverRx. We just don't simply want you to overpay on prescriptions. There is a lot of markup, so to speak, on prescriptions, and we want to help you reduce that markup and pay a more fair price for your prescription costs. So downloading a CleverRx mobile app, which you can find on the benefit website that we'll bring over here shortly, it helps you unlock those exclusive savings by entering in the group number and the member ID number. Once you've downloaded the app, we want to help you save a lot of money on your prescriptions. As an example, 40% of generic prescriptions are less than $10. So simply type or speak the prescription name into the app once you've downloaded. See the list of pharmacies near you to identify the savings that are available at each pharmacy. And then you simply choose the pharmacy that's best fit for you. Convenience, savings, your preferred pharmacy. When you go to pick up or to ask for your prescription, simply present the voucher to the pharmacy clerk so that they can enter in the correct information and give you that savings. The next important benefit as part of your benefit package is short-term disability. Short-term disability should be a part of your financial plan. You work hard to earn the income, and we want to help you make sure that if you have an off-the-job injury or illness or even maternity event, that you have financial protection. So enrolling in short-term disability helps provide you a weekly income benefit to help you and your family meet your everyday living needs as well as your monthly bills. The short-term disability through Bio1 protects 60% of your gross income. That means the income that you earn, not the income that you take home after you've been taxed. So it is the full amount of your income. And it takes 60% of that and it pays you on a weekly benefit. There is a benefit deductible. This is otherwise referred to in your policy documents as an elimination period or wait period. It's basically the first 14 calendar days from the date that your physician says, hey, you're unable to work due to this off-the-job injury, illness, or delivery of a child. The benefits basically begin on the 15th day once your disability begins. The benefit duration per disability event for off-the-job injury and illnesses is 11 weeks. There's a different benefit duration for maternity. It is a 4-week income benefit for a normal delivery and a 6-week income benefit for cesarean delivery. When you enter the enrollment platform to select your benefits, to add your dependents to any of the benefits that are available, you'll see a screenshot looks like this, where you'll see your specific employee weekly disability benefit. I'll circle it here for you guys. So therefore you see what you would be receiving from the insurer per week on your disability coverage. The life insurance benefit. This is also provided to you by Bio1. So every full-time employee receives a $50,000 life insurance benefit. So if something were to happen, it's a death, while you're employed at the company, your beneficiaries would receive that amount according to how you set up your beneficiaries in the enrollment platform. So please make sure that you look at that as often as you need to make sure it's updated to fit your wishes. The next benefit is an accident benefit. So accidents happen. They can happen on the job, they can happen off the job. This off-the-job coverage helps you protect yourself financially if you have an injury. So this policy pays a fixed cash benefit amount for the diagnosis of specific injury events experienced by yourself or anybody else covered on the policy, like spouse and kids. The benefits that are payable do not impact your medical insurance coverage or any other insurance covering the injury. So basically it means it's going to pay its benefits regardless. So let's take a look at how the accident policy actually pays out as some examples. So we're looking at an upper arm fracture or a lower leg fracture in this case. So if there's a surgical repair of an upper extremity fracture, there's a $3,000 benefit payable. Lower leg fracture, surgically repaired, is a $5,000 benefit. If it's non-surgically repaired, then the benefit you'll see here is $1,500 and $2,500 respectively. So again, hopefully this helps you understand the power of this policy and how it can help you offset medical costs, offset loss of work with your disability policy, and so on. Your benefit summary, which is located on the benefit website, will outline the additional monies that are available that would be paid to you based on the different types of injuries that you may suffer. So just please do review that to make sure that you're knowledgeable about your policy. And then if something happens, make sure you file that claim and we'll make sure to help you with that as needed. Major illness benefit. Now the major illness benefit is actually quite similar to the accident benefit, where it's designed to pay a fixed cash benefit amount, but this time it's for the diagnosis of a specific serious illness experienced by yourself or any covered family member. The benefits are again payable regardless of any other insurance covering your this particular illness. So here are the included illnesses: heart attack, invasive cancer, stroke, and then a whole list of other types of illnesses that could occur that are covered by this policy. Bio1 provides every full-time benefit eligible employee a minimum benefit of $5,000, and employees can increase coverage to $10,000 and $15,000. The employee simply pays the difference in the cost to increase that coverage. So Bio1 is making this policy more affordable for you to have the higher amount of coverage, which would definitely help. Employees can add spouse and children to coverage. When you add a spouse, they receive, if they were to be diagnosed with one of the covered illnesses, 50% of the benefit that you have elected for yourself, the 5, the 10, or the 15. Children, you can add them to your policy. They would receive 25% of the employee coverage amount. And the great news is there's no cost to actually add your kids. So we do recommend if you have dependent age children under the age of 26, add them to your policy. It costs you nothing, and that potential dollar amount may be very helpful to you and your family at the time if something were to occur. The next benefits that we're going to review are the dental and vision policies. All policies still remain with Principal, so that makes it easy for everyone to know where to go when they need help on their benefits. So here's the basic summary for your dental. There's an annual maximum benefit of $1,000 per member enrolled. Basically, this means that the dental insurer is covering your dental costs up to $1,000 based on the type of care that you receive. Preventive services, which is your routine exams, your cleanings, your x-rays, they're going to cover that 100%, subtracted from that $1,000 per calendar year, and then you pay 0% when you're using in-network providers. Now there is an annual deductible that's applied towards the following two services, basic services and major services. The annual deductible is simply $50 per member with a maximum of $150 per family. Your basic services, after you've paid the $50 deductible, they cover 80%, you cover 20% for things such as fillings and sealants, root canals, extractions, minor oral surgery. And then your major services include your crowns, your bridges, your dentures, and that's split 50-50 between you and the insurer. Again, always being applied to the $1,000 annual maximum benefit. If you do max out your benefit in the calendar year and you have additional services that are provided, please just understand you're also getting the continued in-network discount from your dentist through Principal coverage. So it's still saving you money even if you max out your benefit in the calendar year. Vision plan. Again, this is through Principal, but we're utilizing the VSP network of providers. Your vision plan provides you a very low copay for an exam. It's only $10, and you can access this every 12 months. Lenses for your eyeglasses is a $25 copay. There are additional items that you may want to apply to your lenses, such as scratch-resistant coating, tinting, etc. Those will also be available to you at lower cost, simple small copays that can range from $10 to $20, depending on the type of addition you want to make to your eyeglass lenses. Frames, they provide you a $150 allowance, and you can do new set of eyeglasses every 12 months. Just remember this is based on your initial service date, the date that you actually go in and get your exam or you purchase your new eyeglasses. Contacts, you can do contacts in lieu of, or otherwise instead of, eyeglass lenses. Same $150 allowance, and again you can do that every 12 months. They just don't cover eyeglass lenses and contact lenses in the same benefit period, that anniversary date. So just work with your vision provider to look at your costs as to whether the eyeglass lenses or the contacts benefit is more value to you from a cost perspective. Well, that wraps up the benefits overview. So what we want to do here is go through your next steps. What do you do next when it comes to your open enrollment, or if you're a new hire and now you're needing to go ahead and elect your benefits for your coverage. So first, review the benefit information on your Bio1 Benefits website. We're going to pull that over here in a moment. Contact our office with any questions. We're here to help you navigate the benefit platform, the benefit website, but also to provide you advice if you need so as to how to take care of these benefits. And then complete your online benefit elections. So now we pulled over your benefit information website. You'll see here that we do have a viewing tab here, whether you're looking at current plans, meaning plans that go through the previous plan year, and then the upcoming plans, the ones that'll be active in this for this benefit video purpose. So as you scroll down here, you'll see benefit tiles. You're obviously watching the benefit presentation, so that's clicking this video link here. But all your benefit information is housed within these tiles. So as an example, if you did need to file an accident claim, you can simply learn about the type of benefit structure here. Your group number is right here, phone number, claims email, benefit summary, and then you can actually click this button here to initiate the claim itself, which is going to help you with that. So you just drop down here, you can pull up the claim form right here and get all the information you need about your benefits. Moving forward, if you want to know, hey, I need to find a dental provider, I'm new to the benefit structure and I want to make sure I'm using an in-network provider to get the best coverage, you can simply click on the provider link. That's going to help you search for a dentist, and then you're simply just plugging in your zip code. As an example, we'll use downtown Boise, and that's going to show you, hey, what about 10-mile radius? Yeah, that's good enough. And then it'll start to list out all the dentists that are available. And you'll see here, hey, there are 368 in-network dentists available. So again, with your benefit website, there's the videos, there's your group numbers, there's all the information, your benefit summaries, member login. We want to make sure that you have all of your benefits in one place so that you and your spouse and anybody else helping you administer your benefits throughout the year has one place that they can see everything they need to see. This will include your benefit pricing. So as you see here, for the employee-only coverage, Bio1 is generously providing you all of the benefits here: the telehealth, the prescription drug, the life insurance, disability, accident, and critical illness, all at no cost to you. The dental and vision insurance pricing is right here as well. They're contributing a good share of that cost to make that more affordable for you. When you've reviewed all of this information, you go to the Enroll Benefits tab. You can watch the video here that actually explains how to walk through the benefit platform. If you haven't been there for a while, last year when you did your benefits, or you're new to the process, please just take a few minutes, watch the benefits video. It makes it simpler when you go to complete your benefit elections, which is required for all employees regardless of other types of coverage in place, as this is provided to you by your employer. So you simply click on the enrollment button and it takes you to the Bio1 enrollment login screen. Your email address is your username. So you just punch your email address in there. And if you're a first-time user, you're just going to click Forgot Password, punch in your email address here, and then click Submit. And that's going to send the reset, create a new password link to you. If you've already logged in before, but you've also forgot, that's fine. Go ahead and use the same Forgot Password. You can also use the login with a mobile phone, and then there's also different languages that you can connect the platform to, just in case that's preference for you. So again, this is your benefit information website. Last thing we want to make sure you're aware of, we do have different tabs here: change benefits, facts, definitions, and then life insurance quotes. Bio1 is generous and they're providing you a $50,000 life insurance benefit as long as you're an employee, but we do recommend that all employees have their own personal life insurance. So you can request it directly from us here and we'll provide you some quotes. You can calculate how much coverage you should have, and then there's even a self-quote and apply option here. So we just want to make sure that everybody has the coverage that they need. Great, now that we've reviewed all that, we want to make sure to go through the next steps. So we do have enrollment deadline. If you're watching this video for your benefits open enrollment in April 2023, your enrollment deadline is April 21st. This gives you about 11 days from the date that this video was published to go ahead and take care of your benefit elections. If you are watching this as a new hired employee in later 2023 or early 2024, your benefit enrollment deadline is the 15th of the month prior to your benefit eligible date, and just make sure to ask your employer for your benefit eligible date, or you can contact us directly and we can look that up for you as well and help you get that done. Well, that does wrap up everything for the benefits overview for the 2023 benefit package. Thank you for being a customer of 208 Benefits. Thank you, Bio1, and we hope to help you with your benefits in the future. Thank you again.